Array and ArrayList are two data structures in Java used to store collections of elements. The key difference between them is as follows. Size. An array has a fixed size, meaning the size of an array cannot be changed after its creation. On the other hand, an array list is dynamic in size, which means it can grow or shrink as elements are added or removed. Type. An array stores elements of a specific data type, while an array list can store elements of any object type. Syntax. An array is declared with a specific data type and size, and is created using the new operator, for example, int r equals new 5. An array list is declared and created using the ArrayList class and generics, for example, ArrayList list equals new ArrayList. Operations. Arrays provide basic operations, such as adding, removing, and accessing elements, while ArrayList provides additional operations, such as dynamic resizing, searching, sorting, and others. In general, if you need a data structure with a fixed size, use an array. If you need a data structure with a dynamic size, use an array list. It is also important to keep in mind that ArrayList has a slightly higher overhead compared to arrays due to additional functionalities.